All right, good morning, guys. This is Coach Thomas here, and I want to show you a quick tutorial on how to do two-step equations again. I know you know how to do it, but just to refresh your memory, I'm going to go through this first one for you. So remember, guys, every time we want to solve for something like this, we want to box the variable because we're trying to get this by itself. So what we do is the inverse operation, and I see that I have a positive 2 here, so I'm going to subtract 2 from both sides. And when I do that, the 2's cancel each other out. The 3x comes on down. And now I have 14 minus 2. And I bring down my equal sign as well. And I have 12, right? So now this was my first step. All of this stuff that I did, everything here. And now I'm going to do my second step here. I'm still doing the opposite of what I see. This tells me 3 times x. The opposite of multiplication is division. So I'm going to divide both sides by 3. And when I do so, 3 divided by 3 just leaves me with x. And x equals 4. That's the, it's a quick reminder on how to do two-step equations. Now, I'll give you one more example on how to do the fractions. Okay, I know you guys hate that, but let me do one of them for you so you kind of remember what to do. So let's say that I have one that's p over 9 minus 5 equals to 7. This is example 2. Okay, I'm doing the same thing. I'm boxing my variable. Now, by me doing that, I know I want this by itself. So I have to get this -5 out of here. I got to get it out of here. So I'm doing the opposite of what I see. I'm adding 5 on both sides. And by me doing that, this cancels out, leaving me with p over 9 equals now 7 plus 5. And what is that, 12? Okay, now this is just like what we saw up the first one up here. Same thing. This shows me p divided by 9 equals 12, a positive 12. What is the opposite of division? You're right, that's right, multiplication. So I'm going to multiply both sides by the inverse. Now, when you multiply fractions, guys, you remember, we never divide them, we always multiply. So since I'm multiplying, I got to flip this thing over. Well, really, I just multiply by the 9 on both sides. And by me doing that, this cancels out, leaving me with just p. And now I come to the side somewhere and I multiply 12 times 9. And we know 9 times 2 is 18. Carry my 1. 9 times 1 is 9 plus 1 is 10. So p is equal to a positive 108. So those were 2 examples of two-step equations, how to solve two-step equations. And I hope it helped you guys. And if you have any questions, please shoot me an email and we can talk about it. All right.